beautiful morning. It really is nice out here. I love it out here. Lake Livingston Village is one of the most quiet, peaceful places. You have the versatility to do what you want as you want. You can do your own creations. You got to follow restrictions, stuff like that. You got a board, you got a POA, HOA, okay. Zoning is good. You know, you jump through a little red tape, you get a unit on, you never pay rent again. Across from me is a beautiful little lot created by weekenders. I think I sold that many years ago. This is part of my lot sales many years ago. Beautiful lot. These are weekenders, and I actually saw these people come up, and real nice family, but obviously they don't have an abode there. And today, the reason why I'm here, update lot number 55. I am now developing my lot start to finish to show you that not only do I know what I'm talking about, but you're gonna watch me do this. So I'm taking a lot start to finish, fully develop it to get it to move on ready, and it's just unbelievable. But the mosquitoes, they're all over me. Paul Kacheroff, this lot, my guy just came here, put more dirt on. The electric is in. Check it out. This was installed yesterday. This is an amazing sight. Come look at my little pole that I had installed. This ran me $2,000. My little pole ran me, with my guy installation, everything, roughly 500. So let's say this right here cost me $2,000. This cost me $500. $2,500 for electricity. When I tell you during the development process, give me $2,800, I always top end. I'm spending $2,500 for my own, so I'm giving you accurate, correct information because that's what they're charging me. This was beautifully done. This is a lot of dirt. Look at this. Look how much dirt I have coming in on this lot. You can see the mounds of the dirt. You can see, look, this is what I had to work with. You see, when you pull big trees out and you pull foliage out, you're trying to clear land, you have these undulating dips because, you know, trees were here at one time. This doesn't mean it holds water. It just means you got to level it out. So we put this thick leveling dirt down where your pad's going to go. Look at this. Now, on top of this orange dirt, we're not done. Gravel's going on top of this so that when it rains, you're not going to be walking on this orange stuff. As I come back here, this is a massive oversized lot. Now, we're not done with here. We're going to bring the gravel on. We're still working on it. My guy's going to get another load. And I'm just kind of showing you, look, the electricity's done. Next up are the utilities. The utilities are going to put, I believe they're going to put the water meter there and the sewage there. I'm not sure. However, we are partially along with this property. It's really cool. We're gonna have this advertised as a fully done, move-on ready lot. What that means, this is gonna be for $30,000 cash. If you are interested, you're in another place and you go, Paul, look, I'm sitting in a bus-style RV. I'm sitting in this RV park. I got the cash. How do I do this? I don't want a development. I'm gonna say, look, you're gonna move on to my lot. You're gonna drive down. You're gonna pull onto my lot. You're gonna take your RV. You're gonna plug that sucker in, and you're gonna hook up the poopies, and then you're gonna get the water hooked up to it. And then I'll see you in the morning. That's how move on ready I'm gonna make this. When I get done, no matter where you are in the continental US, hey, weather's great, hardly any mosquitoes. Yeah. No.
Right.
No, I'm just saying, this is going to be move on ready, so that anybody that's interested in this property, they can come down and stay here the night. I don't care. I want to get it sold. This is, hey, the great part is when I tell you to buy one of my wooded lots, I'm setting you up. I'm putting you in a great position. I got to choose my location before dropping my money into it. And that's what's great about this lot. It's not like I'm selling other lots that were fully done. I picked them up on the economy. People said, Paul, I want to unload my property. I don't have that choice selection. I got the best of the best. I took one of my best oversized lots, the best located lots, and I'm doing it. I'm giving you number one and everything from value start to finish. Let me give you just one more corner look. I love that electric pole. I keep imagining Ben Franklin is sitting on the top of there going, hey dude, you can't do without me. Yeah. Hey, what does that mean? Is the mosquitoes?
It means goodbye.
Yeah, I'm out. I love my camera lady. Hey, this is an update. Good luck. Paul Kacheroff at 423buyland.com. Right now I'm standing at the Lake Livingston Village boat ramp area. Behind me, you'll see the open water. Right out into the open water is a famous island called Pine Island. It's right around the corner. It's one of the biggest hot spots on 4th of July. You'll see all the boaters out there. This boat ramp is perfectly placed so that you can get a boat right around the corner and you're at the island. How cool is that? Notice the beautiful boat behind me and the properties all around. This is a very pristine, beautiful environment here. And this boat ramp area is privileged to all lot owners. If you buy a lot from us, you can bring your family here. You got picnic tables. You can have a great time, be safe. Thank you. Take care. Right now I'm walking with my beautiful compatriot, my lifelong... Don't hide from the camera. Don't hide. Hey. Yeah. Anyway, Yolette and I are here at section 14. She's somewhere here. Here, let me see. Come on, Yolette. They all want to see you. Anyway, she is actually, she's everything here. So we have a little demonstration today, a little video to upload. All right, well, anyway, right now she's waiting for the makeup crew, and she's the main star of all our videos, naturally. But anyway, stay tuned. Paul Katroff, 423buyland.com. Thank you. Everybody asks me all the time, what exactly do land sellers do in their spare time? Well, what we do, we go to Elvis concerts. Stay tuned. Are you nuts? What are you doing on the coffee table? Dude, excuse me. What are you doing on the coffee table? That's not good behavior. You can't be on the coffee table. Come on, man. This is not how we taught you. Come on, guy. Really? You're gonna... Dude, you gotta get down. Of course you do. Bad boy. Okay? Nah, never again.